Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to do ends for the reach caps. So we're gonna make them out of gable pieces. So here is my gable. I just cut a piece out of it, enough to cover my gable. Now, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna straighten it up, make it flat right here. Okay, so looks like this. Now, next thing we're gonna do is gonna take our gable, put this piece right here. If you can see, these corners, like these flanges, they kind of hit one of the folds on each side. Now we're gonna take the pencil and pretty much follow our ridge line and make a mark where it ends. So next thing, gonna cut this. That's how wide is our piece. Now, really important part. Now we're not cutting on the lines of our ridge, but we're cutting few inches away. So this is our ridge line, and this is gonna be our folds. So then we do one snip over here on a line. Same idea on another side, on a line. Cut it off. One end. Cut off another end. Okay, now the most important part. We're gonna create cuts like this, so we can fold it and insert it into the ridge cap, and then fasten it, and whatever, it's gonna be our ridge end. The most important part is this is a line of the ridge, so we need to cut just a hair past the line. So here how it looks. So I'm not cutting to the line, I'm cutting a little past it, just a little bit, every single one. Otherwise this piece won't fit in your ridge. Okay, now it looks like this. Looks a little like punk haircut. So now we just fold all these pieces inside like this, trying to make 90 degrees. So that's how our ridge end gonna look from outside. This is inside part. Okay. Now we grabbing our ridge cap, and now like you can see, it sits perfectly inside. So what we need to do next? Now it's gonna okay, next part is the most complicated one. We need to fasten it, and we need to make sure that it's straight. So the problem with it is, when you're gonna fasten it, if you're gonna hit this part, like from middle to outside, it's just gonna fall down, and you won't be able to run the screw through the lip. So we're gonna try to put our screw closer to the inside fold, and we're gonna hold our lip with the finger from inside. That's exactly what happens, and you won't able to penetrate it. So in a situation like this, what you can do is, since you have a mark, now you can hold, run a screw, then get this piece back on, and easily fasten it. So in this case, your ridge end already kind of sits on a place, and it's easier for you to do the same procedure on another end. Okay, two sides, and now most of the time this end really wants to kind of slide in, so just push it out a little bit. Now this piece sits really nice with two screws, so you don't really have to hold it. You can put your arm inside, hold the lip, hold the ridge end piece. Make sure you're not drilling a screw into your finger, otherwise it's gonna hurt. And here you go. Looks like real, looks like I did it. Okay, thank you very much. See you guys later.